5:30.
But at the moment, I am very happy that we're not at this time in a public health emergency from.
Now at 5:30, medical experts are speaking out tonight amid a huge drop in COVID patients at South Florida hospitals. But at the same time, they're warning about a new Omicron variant that is even more transmissible than the previous one.
So there are words of caution mixed with that good news. Yeah. CBS 4's Peter Dench is live at Jackson Memorial Hospital in Miami with the latest on this. Peter, what can you tell us?
Well, Lauren and Elliot, the news comes 2 years after the start of the coronavirus pandemic. Health experts are worried about a new subvariant of COVID-19, even though there's been a dramatic drop in the number of people hospitalized for the coronavirus, as we discovered today. It is a far cry from many of the dark days surrounding the outbreak of the coronavirus and the spread of the Omicron variant. On this Friday, there were just 36 COVID patients in the Jackson Health System. That is down from 445 from last August and a peak of 485 from July 27th of 2020. There are 7 hospitals in the Jackson Health System. The numbers are also down significantly from a peak of the Omicron variant on January 12th, when the health system had 564 patients tied to Omicron.
The news that cases are dropping not only at Jackson, but also the Baptist Health System is down on patients. Broward Health is down on patients. And this is wonderful news. And it reflects what's going on throughout the United States with this drop in cases.
New medications and new technology have helped curb serious cases. But FIU infectious disease expert Dr. Eileen Marty is concerned, though, about the new BA.2 variant. There has been a spike in cases nationwide.
BA.2 is about 30% more transmissible than BA.1.
White House advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci offered this warning.
We certainly are concerned, because I would not be surprised, Jake, if that in the next few weeks, given the fact that we've begun to open up and we have an increase in the BA.2 variant, that we'll be seeing an increase in cases. Hopefully, that's not associated with an increase in hospitalization and severe disease.
But at the moment, I am very happy that we're not at this time in a public health emergency from SARS-CoV-2.
Now, the Omicron variant BA.2 was tied to 23% of new cases nationwide last week, compared with 14% the week before, which is why Dr. Fauci and Dr. Marty are so cautious. We are live in Miami. Peter Dench, CBS 4 News.